Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm going to show you a project I've been working on for my son's graduation. So this was one of the sets of dies that I got from Globeland, and I will leave all the links down below to their website. So it is very specifically a graduation die, and I actually didn't separate any of this because I wanted to use actually all of these pieces all cut within this same pattern. So this is what it is here, and you'll see how I have designed this. I'll just lay it out for you here, and I'll go through piece by piece how I have done this. So I have taken, actually I got a card done up with all his graduation photos and his name and high school and everything like that. So I used a lot of that for this banner. But this one specifically right here holds a lot of the dies, and you can see this Congrats Grad, the hat, the banner, the stars, all of that was done completely with this. And then there's little elements throughout, like this one here. I've added that little touch of the banner on. So I've carried the consistency through. There's the diploma on there. May your walls know joy. May every room hold laughter and every window open to great possibility. Thought that was a nice sentiment for a graduate. There's another photo there. And lastly, that's this one. Here I've used this little piece. So there's elements really mostly throughout from this one simple set. It really gave me everything I needed to complete this project, which would have been a challenge otherwise. And lastly, I'm going to string it all together with this, and I'm going to hang it in the window when we decorate for a little celebration dinner. So that was from Michael's. So that's the project there. I have some other videos if you want to see the unboxing that I did for this video, as well as the different things that I have already made with some of the other sets that I got. A really nice other set of dies that was ice cream sets. I'll leave all those videos linked for you as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.